Hi there, Andy Willis here from Working From Anywhere. Today I want to talk to you about another of life's challenges, especially for people in business, and that is inbox overwhelm. Basically, the amount of time we spend in our inbox every day. How many emails have you got in your inbox right now? 10, 20, 50, 100, 1,000? So many you can't count, which is often the case for many of the business owners I work with. And what it does, it takes up our time and it creates overwhelm. There is a solution. I have a solution. It's called Inbox Zero. It's simple settings and a simple strategy that get your inbox to zero every single day. What if I told you I could change or show you how to change just one setting in your inbox, and it will reduce the amount of emails that hit your inbox by up to 70%. They're still there if you want to see them, but they don't take time and space in your life each day. So that's one simple setting that you have to change just once. And then there's a strategy that I can share with you that will get your inbox to zero inbox every single day. It works. I've shown it to many people. I've helped many other business owners and they absolutely love it. It's life-changing for them. It's called Inbox Zero. So, if you'd like to join me, it's about a 1-hour workshop, maybe less. Come and join this workshop. You'll need your laptop, maybe a mobile phone, no, just a laptop, access to the internet, and I will show you, and you walk away. It's not just a presentation. You will walk away all set up with the strategy and the settings so you can get your inbox to zero every single day. More information, if you want to join the workshop, click on the button below. This has been Andy Willis from Working From Anywhere. I look forward to taking the inbox overwhelm out of your life.